Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image in Miro. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and add an image into my design right here. And once I add the image, I'm going to go ahead and remove the background. So you'll learn how to do that exactly. So let me find an image real quick into my design. So let's take this image here, right? And I'm going to open it into my design. So let's say I would like to remove the background of this image. How do I do that? All I have to do is click the image and click the AI, which is the Miro AI right here from the options here that it given to me. Once I click on this, you will see that it has a background remover. So just simply click and remove background, and the AI is going to do its magic. As you know, AI do its thing, and it's going to remove the background of the image. So that could be any image that you have. You can easily remove the background using that Miro AI in your design. And that's how easy it is, guys, to remove background for images in Miro.